What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. We've got something pretty different for this week's 3 Ways to Style series. No sneakers today. Instead, we have these suede penny loafers from Aimé Dore. I haven't picked up penny loafers in I can't even remember, but when I saw images of these, I thought they were crazy clean. Even though they were a little pricey, I did want to try them out, as my goal this year was to expand my footwear game beyond sneakers and to get into more matured footwear. I've been wanting a white colored footwear option to go with my white suits too, and these Aimé Dore penny loafers seem like the perfect option. I definitely am no expert in styling penny loafers. I haven't styled them in a long time, so this should definitely be a fun one today. Experimenting on some looks and fusing some streetwear elements into these two. So yeah, let's get right into it, guys. First up, we've got this clean white and gold Aimé Dore box, a white Aimé Dore dust bag. Now getting into the loafers, we've got a hand-constructed white suede upper that wraps all around the loafer, extra smooth white leather base. Quality is real nice on these, feeling similar to the upper on the Off-White 4s. White suede on the front panels, white leather contrast on the back, Aimé Dore branding in gold on the insoles, with cow leather lining on the insides, sitting on a black midsole, brown leather outsoles made in Portugal, and that black rubber heel to finish it off. As for sizing, these fit massive. I read up on some reviews before purchasing. Some people said that they got a US 9, but it fit like a US 10.5. I'm usually a US 9.5 or 10, and decided to go for a US 8.5 on these, and they fit perfect. I'd highly advise going down at least one full size, if not 1.5 sizes down, for an ideal fit. And now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get into the fun bits with some on-foot looks and style tips. And there you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the Aimé Dore penny loafers in the white colorway. Let me know which was your favorite looks 1 through 3. Did you guys think I did justice to the styling? As I've said, I haven't done penny loafers in like ever, so it was pretty refreshing and fun taking on a new silhouette. To be honest, I'm really into these, and of course I did take a lot of inspiration from the main Aimé Dore lookbook. I'm really enjoying styling these in a more casual, streetwear style kind of way, and the fact that they go well with formal suit looks too is a massive plus point. Well, with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love, guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.